Real quick, what do you think of your brother's cars?
Good.
They're good? Which one's your favorite?
The green one.
The green one? You like it?
Yeah.
Did you help me clean it?
Yep. And they also like both of them.
You like both of them?
Yep.
Nice. Alright. Say bye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
What's good, YouTube, man? We're back here with another video. And today, we got the Honda out, man. She's officially out the shop. Real quick, though, before we get into that, man, I just want to say I appreciate all the support. I'm going to turn this little build into a series, man. So, if you want to see the whole series, you want to see me build this car from rags to riches, make sure you subscribe. Because right now, we only have 97% of y'all are unsubscribed to my channel. 97% of you viewers are not subscribed, man. That really means a lot. So yeah, man, she's out the shop. Basically, almost everything under the hood's brand new. We went ahead and did a brand new clutch kit, new flywheel, all brand new motor mounts, everything, man. We did a short throw. And yeah, so we got her done, man. And also cleaned the inside out. She's looking real clean. And we're here at the car wash with some of my friends, and she's gonna get her first wash in who knows how long, man. This car has never been washed by me or the previous owner. So yeah. Like I said, man, if you guys enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe. Hold on. Bro, I already heard it. Whatever, bro. Let's go to my ride. Hey, you could be like gone wrong.
At least shut the car wash down, man. They shut the takeover down.
Make sure you subscribe to bail me out of jail, man. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, so I forgot to mention earlier everything that we did to the car, man. Like I said, we put a brand new engine. Look at this guy, man. He got me with the spotlight. We put a brand new engine in here. Almost everything under the hood is brand new. The only thing that's the same is the radiator and the intake. Other than that, everything's brand new. All the hoses, all the piping, motor mounts, everything. Everything's brand new. While we were taking it out, we discovered that the axle boot was leaking, so we went ahead and put, look at that clutch. So we put brand new axles in, brand new motor mounts. Like I said, man, almost everything under the hood is brand new. Brand new clutch kit, brand new flywheel, new bushings for the shifter. This is a brand new 28-year-old-ish, I don't know, do the math later, ish car, man. So like I said, we got some parts on order. So yeah, build's gonna be crazy, man. All right, guys, we got her all cleaned up, man. And like I said, if you want to be a part of this series, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got some parts on order right now. I'm gonna be making another video next week or even this week. So if you want to see more, man, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys later. I might get a couple clips when we go out later tonight, man. We'll see. All right, peace. Hella turbo Hondas, man.
My tip's ticking. Hey, bro, look, we got a K series Honda right here, bro. We ain't gonna look under the hood though. You can't look at
What's
it.
done to it,
It's
bro?
loading,
What's
bro.
done
I gotta order my VTEC tomorrow. You know, they say it's coming in and shit. But yeah, bone stock right now, bro. What is wrong with you, bro?
Oh yeah, man. We're out here.
Bro, show him my Honda, bro. That's a sleeper.
Where's that? Where's that? Let's give us a tour.
Hey, you say Civic night.
Man,
Civic night.
It's Honda night.
Civic night.
Civic night,
Jeez. All right, sorry guys. I know I'm just throwing in like some random clips, but we got my homies here from Ukraine, man. From Ukraine. And he's gonna give us a quick little fit check, bro. Break down what you got for us.
All right. This is like 150.
150 for the shoes.
Adidas Campus. This is like the True Religion, you know, 250.
True Religion thrifted
just-
jeans, 250.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh!
Yes, sir.
He gonna get me demonetized,
It's like
man.
20 bucks. It's like 20 bucks. This like about 90. Let's go for this one.
Oh, shit.
Jeez.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
How much?
It's 100.
100? Okay.
Yes, first. Here is the Stussy bag.
Stussy bag! Oh
Yeah,
my
it's
gosh.
100.
Jeez.
Носочки сколько стоят?
Oh, let's go, bro. The standard socks, you know, from Walmart.
Yeah.
$5.
$5, alright.
Yes, sir. Here's the Stussy.
Oh my
It's
god.
like 50 bucks.
How much is the whole fit altogether?
It's like about 600, 700.
So on a Friday, man, something light on a
Yeah,
Friday.
it goes like, you know, Honda Accord.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Santi,
Oh,
say what's up to the vlog, man. That's good. My boy's on YouTube,
He
man.
forgot the bell. He forgot the bell.
How much the bell? How much the bell?
It's like 50 bucks from Ukraine.
Okay,
From my
okay.
dad.
I like it, man. I like it. Shout out Ukraine, man. Shout out Ukraine. Yes, sir.
What did I do to deserve?